Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. From this menu you can manage all of the display settings. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode. You can select auto switch between sunset to sunrise or custom, and change dark mode style between enhanced, medium or gentle, enable or disable adaptive contrast, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, and adjust icons to dark mode. Next, you can change brightness level manually or enable or disable auto brightness. Then you can change screen color mode between vivid and natural, and also you can change screen color temperature between cool and warm. In eye comfort mode, you can enable or disable this function, schedule it, and change screen color temperature between cool-warm, black and white, and color. Next, we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable adaptive sleep, and manage screen display, front camera display by app, between auto adapt, show front camera or hide front camera, and full screen display by app. Unfortunately, there are no apps that are using this function. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.